Let's clear something up first. Both Proton VPN and NordVPN are respected names. Both care about privacy. Both are secure. So this isn't about good versus bad. It's about what fits real, everyday use better, especially if you're in the US. Now here's where the difference starts to show. Proton VPN is built with a strong privacy-first philosophy, Swiss jurisdiction, open-source apps, and a very transparent approach. That's great if your top priority is ideology and open-source trust. But most people in the US don't just want privacy. They want speed, simplicity, and zero friction. Whether that's streaming, working remotely, gaming, or just browsing without interruptions. This is where NordVPN pulls ahead. Let's talk speed, because speed is what you feel every day. Proton VPN offers fast connections and advanced routing, but NordVPN operates on one of the fastest VPN networks measured globally, with speeds exceeding 6,700 Mbps. What does that mean in real life? Videos load instantly. 4K streaming doesn't buffer. Large files upload without stalling, and the VPN stays invisible in the background. You don't think about it. It just works. Now let's talk global access. Proton VPN covers over 120 countries, which is solid. NordVPN goes even wider, with 178 locations and thousands of servers optimized for performance. That matters when streaming platforms change regions. Certain sites behave differently by location, or you want the most stable server. Instantly more locations equals more flexibility. Less trial and error. Security is another big comparison point. Both VPNs encrypt your traffic and follow strict no-log policies. But NordVPN adds active protection layers on top of encryption. Things like automatic alerts if your data shows up on the dark web, blocking malicious downloads, stopping trackers, and intrusive ads. So instead of just hiding your connection, NordVPN actively watches your back. That's a big deal for everyday users who don't want to manage multiple security tools. Now let's talk usability, the part nobody puts on spec sheets. Proton VPN gives you control and customization, which power users appreciate. NordVPN focuses on effortless setup. Install it, tap connect, and it automatically selects the fastest server for your network. No tweaking, no guessing. And with one account covering up to 10 devices, it fits modern households perfectly. Laptops, phones, tablets, even routers. So here's the honest takeaway. If you're deeply focused on open source philosophy and maximum transparency, Proton VPN is a strong option. But if you want a VPN that's faster, easier, more feature complete, and built for everyday US usage, NordVPN simply delivers more value with less effort. It's not about choosing the most technical VPN. It's about choosing the one you'll actually enjoy using every day. If that sounds like what you're looking for, check out NordVPN through the link below and see the difference for yourself. Once you experience that speed and simplicity, it's hard to go back.